Imagine yourself waking up to the delightful scent of freshly brewed coffee wafting through your home. Isn't the aroma of coffee absolutely delightful in the morning? Millions of people around the world enjoy this pleasure on a daily basis. Every morning, people around the world indulge in the simple pleasure of savoring approximately 2 billion cups of coffee. It's a ritual that awakens the senses and energizes the body. However, what lies beneath this everyday delight? Did you know that even something as simple as drinking your coffee can have a big impact on its flavor and your health? Let's dive into this video, where we'll uncover the most frequent errors people make when enjoying their cup of coffee. Learn all about the benefits and potential risks of this popular beverage, including who should be cautious when consuming it. Coffee is not just a beverage. It is a fascinating blend of compounds that can impact your emotions, mental state, and overall well-being. Hailing from the majestic mountains of Ethiopia, coffee has embarked on a global journey, enchanting diverse cultures and tantalizing taste buds along the way. It contains not just caffeine, but also a range of antioxidants and other compounds that can provide a boost of energy or potentially overwhelm your system if not consumed correctly. Join us as we uncover the fascinating world of coffee, discover common morning mistakes, and learn how to make every sip of coffee a delightful and rewarding experience. So, what's the secret to enjoying coffee without any negative side effects? Let me demonstrate the numerous health benefits of this beloved beverage, which have been backed by scientific research. First and foremost, enhancing cognitive abilities. Caffeine, a key component of coffee, directly affects the central nervous system, providing a temporary increase in mental alertness and a decrease in fatigue. This effect is achieved by blocking adenosine, a neurotransmitter that helps relax the brain and reduce alertness. Research has revealed that drinking coffee can have a positive impact on cognitive function. These improvements encompass enhancements in both short and long-term memory, a heightened ability to concentrate, and even a boost in mood. Caffeine has been proven to boost both mental and physical energy levels, enabling individuals to remain active and productive. Studies have shown that drinking coffee in moderation can potentially reduce the risk of cognitive diseases like mild cognitive decline or dementia. Coffee not only contains caffeine, but also other beneficial compounds like antioxidants that can help protect the brain from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants play a crucial role in maintaining brain health by shielding it from oxidative stress, a key contributor to brain, aging, and various neurodegenerative conditions. Another benefit is a boost in metabolism. Coffee is often linked to positive effects on metabolism, such as promoting fat burning and boosting metabolic rate. Coffee contains caffeine, which has the ability to effectively mobilize fat from adipose tissue and boost basal metabolism. Research has revealed that caffeine has the potential to significantly boost metabolic rate, particularly in individuals with a lean physique. Coffee can be a helpful addition to the diet for those seeking natural ways to boost calorie burning. This increase in metabolism results in a higher energy expenditure, which can be beneficial for weight maintenance or loss. Caffeine affects the body by stimulating the central nervous system, which triggers the release of hormones like epinephrine, adrenaline, and speeds up metabolism. As a result, stored fatty acids are broken down and released into the bloodstream, providing energy for the body's cells. Coffee consumption has been linked to an enhancement in physical performance, in addition to its fat-burning effects. Caffeine boosts the level of fatty acids in the bloodstream, enabling the muscles to utilize them as a primary source of energy, thus preserving their glycogen reserves. This is especially helpful during long periods of physical activity. Thirdly, it provides protection against neurodegenerative diseases. Drinking coffee has been linked to a reduced risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, which are prevalent among older individuals. Studies indicate that the components found in coffee, such as caffeine and antioxidant compounds, have been found to be instrumental in lowering the risk of developing certain diseases. Regular coffee consumption has been shown in studies to significantly reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease, the most common form of dementia. The findings suggest a potential risk reduction of up to 65%. Research suggests that caffeine may have a positive impact on cognitive activity by blocking the effects of adenosine, a neurotransmitter. This can potentially reduce brain inflammation and improve insulin efficiency in the brain, which are both factors associated with Alzheimer's pathology. Research has indicated that individuals who incorporate coffee into their daily routine may experience a reduced likelihood of developing Parkinson's disease, which is one of the most common degenerative conditions. The amount of coffee consumed daily determines the extent of risk reduction, which can range from 32% to 60%. Research suggests that caffeine may play a role in protecting neural health by boosting the activity of neurotransmitters that are often reduced in individuals with Parkinson's disease. Let's talk about the fourth point, which is related to maintaining a healthy heart. Recent studies have highlighted the positive impact of moderate caffeine consumption on heart health, despite ongoing debates surrounding coffee's effects on cardiovascular well-being. It's interesting to note that coffee, despite its stimulating effect, may have potential benefits in protecting against certain heart diseases, which goes against the common belief that it could be harmful to the heart. Drinking coffee regularly has been linked to a lower chance of developing various cardiovascular diseases, such as heart failure. A recent study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association revealed an interesting discovery regarding coffee consumption and its impact on heart failure risk. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of coffee per day was associated with a reduced risk of heart failure. Caffeine, which is sometimes viewed as a cause for worry because of its potential to raise blood pressure, has actually been found to have positive effects when consumed in moderation. Coffee is packed with antioxidants like chlorogenic acid and caffeic acid. These antioxidants have anti-inflammatory properties and can help improve vascular health by reducing arterial stiffness and enhancing the elasticity of blood vessels. Another benefit is the prevention of specific types of cancer. Coffee is a fascinating blend of compounds that have shown promising anti-cancer properties. It contains antioxidants like chlorogenic acid and caffeic acid. Scientific studies indicate that incorporating coffee into your routine could potentially lower the risk of specific cancers, such as liver cancer and colorectal cancer. Did you know that liver cancer is the second leading cause of cancer-related deaths globally? Interestingly, studies have consistently shown a link between coffee consumption and a reduced risk of developing this disease. Studies have shown that regular coffee consumption can reduce the risk of liver cancer by up to 40%. Coffee contains compounds that have been shown to reduce inflammation, a key factor in the development of liver cancer. Additionally, these compounds can enhance the liver's response to insulin, which can lower the risk of cirrhosis, a major risk factor for liver cancer. Research indicates that coffee consumption may provide a potential safeguard against the development of colorectal cancer, which is a prevalent form of cancer in numerous developed nations. Research indicates that consuming multiple cups of coffee daily has been linked to a noteworthy decrease in the likelihood of developing colorectal cancer, with a reduction of up to 26%. Coffee contains antioxidants that can help counteract free radicals, which are known to cause cellular damage and potentially contribute to the growth of cancer cells in the colon. One benefit is a decrease in the likelihood of developing type 2 diabetes. Drinking coffee has been linked to a notable decrease in the likelihood of developing type 2 diabetes, a long-term condition that affects how the body processes glucose. Research has shown that drinking coffee can have a positive impact on reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Studies suggest that even just 1 cup a day can lower the risk by about 7%, and for those who enjoy multiple cups, the risk reduction can be even greater, potentially up to 50%. There are several factors that contribute to the connection between coffee consumption and a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. To begin with, coffee contains antioxidants like chlorogenic acid and caffeic acid, which can enhance insulin sensitivity and improve the function of pancreatic beta cells that produce insulin. Furthermore, these antioxidants play a crucial role in fighting oxidative stress and inflammation, which are closely associated with the onset of type 2 diabetes. Seventh on the list, we have liver protection. The connection between coffee consumption and liver health is especially significant when it comes to cirrhosis, a condition characterized by liver scarring caused by prolonged damage. Research suggests that regularly drinking 4 or more cups of coffee per day can significantly reduce the risk of developing cirrhosis by up to 80%. The protective effects of coffee are believed to be mainly attributed to its components, such as caffeine and antioxidants. These components help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are known to contribute to liver degeneration. Additionally, coffee has been found to have positive effects on the liver's response to diseases like hepatitis C, and may even help slow the progression of fibrous liver disease. Studies have shown that coffee compounds can disrupt fat buildup in the liver, which is an early step in non-alcoholic liver disease, and enhance fat breakdown by boosting metabolism. 8th on the list is a decrease in the likelihood of experiencing depression. Coffee has the ability to not only provide a physical boost, but it can also have a positive impact on mental health by potentially reducing the risk of depression. It seems that caffeine, the primary active ingredient in coffee, plays a vital role in this connection. By stimulating the central nervous system, it can enhance mood and energy levels, resulting in an antidepressant effect. Caffeine inhibits the effects of adenosine, which can have an impact on both relaxation and mood. Through its mechanism of action, caffeine enhances the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, leading to an uplifted mood. Coffee is packed with a variety of bioactive substances that offer antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits, in addition to caffeine. These properties can effectively address oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are closely linked to the development of depression.